Yes, this is mad. I'm super happy and grateful for this award. And this feels so personal to me. The reason is this is not just a win for me, it's a win for my community. And I'm completely dedicating this award to all of the freshers, youngsters from my community. 2019. If you would have asked myself, Thasanthan, will you be achieving 100,000 subscribers? Answer would be definitely no. But I had some dream to at least achieve 10,000 followers and get the Browns play button. And I think from 2021 they have stopped even producing Browns play buttons. When I started, just awkward videos, directionless contents, and I never had a proper plan also. But when I jumped back into YouTube in 2024 October, I had a plan, I had a strategy, and I could make this happen. Why this is so special to me? I've went to all of this graduation and I've completed my higher educations and I've graduated and stuff, I think 2 times. But in those 2 times, I never had this happiness. I don't know, I still don't know the exact reason, but I never had this happiness because when I hold this, when I see my name printed on this, I feel super happy. And all my motive was to create more and more Thashanthans. That doesn't mean I just want to create someone like me. No, that means I just want to help people, whoever they are in my state, and at least if I could help them to get just to like the next step, that's fine with me. That was the complete motive from this Thasanthan brand, Thasanthan YouTube channel, nothing else. And I was able to do it in this journey. 6 years. Yeah, 6 years, it's more than 2,700 days, right? Yeah, we have been consistent. We are stayed together, and I think some are new here, but some people they are from my first day itself, from my first 10 subscribers to now. I'm super happy. My very close friend, he's the first 10 subscribers for me because I think I started this channel when I was in my O-level exams. I mean, the final exams. Final exams were going on, and suddenly in the exam hall, I got an idea. Why not, Thasanthan? You're getting bullied by many of the people here. Why not you make your face a brand? Why not make your name a brand? Why not? Why can't you do that? Then I went home, I created the YouTube channel, and I started posting videos. I told my friend, my very close friend, and he is the one who subscribed my channel with all of his 10 email IDs, and I still remember that moment. And he gave me the confidence to, Thasanthan, yes, you can do it. I still remember another great moment. I was making a video about Bill Gates in my room, and outside my father was there at home. And he questioned me this question, Thasanthan, okay, you are YouTubing. With YouTube, what are you going to actually do? What is the point of making videos? Because in 2019, 2020, YouTube wasn't that popular in my community. I don't know about the urban areas. I came from a rural community, so there it wasn't that popular. Okay, yeah, people were doing, some artists had YouTube channel, but it's not a common thing for everyone, right? So my father asked me the same question. All the 20, 18-year-old get asked by every parents, right? So he asked me, Thasanthan, what are you going to do in your life? What is the point of making videos? Who's going to watch your videos? He asked me that, not in a bad way, in a very good way. He cared about me, so that's why he asked me. But to be frank, I never had the answer to answering. But I think I'm answering him here with my reward, with my people, and I know he believes now what I'm gonna do and what I'm trying to do. I think he understands it now. And next, My friends. Yes, I told about my first friend, and then after that, I came to an urban city and I started my life here alone. So here, I think I was super clueless when it comes to the lifestyle, world, people. You know, as a 18-year-old, I couldn't understand people that easily, because in my community I was making videos on, I mean, in YouTube. It's me and my room, we make videos, that's it. And I had very close circle from my school, that's all. I never had, I mean, went to any networking events, any gatherings. Even I never been a part of any interact and protract club activities also. I was like a proper super Tamil dedicated kid. Okay, so when I moved here, it was super hard for me to talk to people, actually get a confidence to even face people. But my friends, very close friends, I have very limited friend circle, like 5, I can count their names. Every single one of them were the reason behind this, uh, and I'm always grateful for them. And then my siblings, yeah, so I had a good memories with my siblings, and I still remember my first brother. When I started YouTube, he was super happy and excited about like when I'm gonna reach 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 subscribers. And he was super curious. All of my siblings are like that, so I'm super grateful for them also. And then my parents, my mother and my father, they are always scared of me, because I was a kid who is not into any rules, any general rules. I was breaking every single rule which my family and community had. So they were super scared of me. But I think I'm gonna give this to my parents and let them watch this every single day. I'm super happy and thankful for every single support. My people, you guys, I just want to share like few moments that you guys helped me in this journey. Moment number 1, as I told before, I had this idea to stop everything in 2025, to stop YouTubing and go to a different lifestyle. And then on the day itself, you have shown me an unbelievable support. On the next day, there was like 3,000 subscribers within overnight. So 3,000, 5,000 subscribers within overnight. So that was a moment, changed everything for me. And also there was another moment in 2021 when I started this channel. There was super negativity. There was a negativity, not super, there was a negativity. So people were trolling about my looks and all, but there is a set of people who was defending for me, or who was fighting for me with them. And I still remember all of those comments and conversations. Yeah, those are fun, it's just fun, but still it is really personal to me. And you guys gave me a confidence. Okay, this world is full of good people, there are good people, so just go and find them and talk to them, right? All right, I think I've talked too much, but I think I should. This is the moment to thank every single one of you. If I missed anyone, I'm really sorry. And I always say, people are the only reason behind me. So people in the sense, every one of you, my family, siblings, friends, and my relatives, also my friends, public, followers, subscribers, everyone. Thank you so much. And finally, I just want to end this video with a small note. Hello, my people out there. A big hello to every one of you who is scared about your looks, your skills, your talent, your future, work, whoever it is. If I can do this, why not you? Just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself, and just believe this one thing: this world is full of good people. There are good people. It's just a matter of you still didn't meet them. So go out, meet them, be confident. That's it. I'm not here to give any advices. I'm just sharing it from my personal experience. That's all.